Hello, Patreon people. I know you've been waiting on that succulent tutorial where I'm going to do mosaic succulents, these little guys, and show you how to do them. I have the attention span of like a 5-year-old sometimes. What can I tell you? So last week I started doing these bird monsters just a couple days ago. This guy was created on a white sheet of paper, and I made a white outline, or I sketched him in with pencil and then made a white outline with water and used watercolor. You can see the blue, how it's kind of bled, and that's kind of what I was playing with, was making the paper and the paint bleed. I really liked that effect. And so after I got this done, I thought, and so after I got the bird painted in, I did a tissue paper mask. I created this little shape and laid it down, hiding it, and then I did all the orange in the background with spray paint. And so it got me thinking, what if I started with the spray paint? So today, and this is what I'm going to show you in a little video, I laid the mask down and then spray painted around it, pulled it up, and then started painting. My theory, although I'm not quite sure how accurate it was that I could paint right up to the spray paint, and that the spray paint may act as some sort of barrier to the water and the bleed. Not really sure how effective that was, but I'll let you guys see the process. And so today I'm just working with the paint, and then later in the week, after it dries, I want to let it dry overnight, I'll start with the collage elements and the drawing, because you can see I have like a black pen that I go in and add detail with, and some colored pencils and different media. It's a very mixed media thing. So anyway, thanks for watching. I am going to get on to the mosaic tutorials soon, but this is what I've been working on right now. Hope you guys are staying busy in this shelter-in-place time, and thanks for watching.